I got my blankie. Now let's chat about growing what you love. Now, if you're the one that basically plants the garden, puts the plant to the ground, maintains the weeds and all that, there's really no need for you to listen to someone who's telling you what to put in your garden. Now, I get that you want to be able to produce something that the entire family will enjoy. And that's wonderful and that works. However, don't get swayed by those that want a plant that they just think will be easy for you to do if they're not also putting in the time that you are. Now, I do well growing tomatoes and peppers. I have no issues. My neighbor grows squash and cucumbers, no problem. I can't do it for some reason. I don't have luck with that crop. And my husband mocks me to no end how if I was not a helicopter parent, I will have better luck growing these vegetables. But this is the thing. My neighbors love to eat squash and cucumbers, and when he grows them, he grows at least 10 to 15 plants in the same area. That counteracts any issues with pests and fungal disease during the summer. So he has a greater chance of producing this vegetable because he has a large amount. In my case, I'm not going to grow 10 to 15 plants because one, no one eats it at my house. I'm not going to put my time into a vegetable that no one's going to enjoy. And second of all, it takes a lot of space to grow this in one bed. And I'd rather save that space for something that I enjoy. So what do? We just trade off. I want a squash, he got them. He wants tomatoes, I got them. So there's no point of putting something in place, especially in my household, because it's just not going to be worth my time or energy to figure out how to be successful at it. So please make sure that when you plant out your garden this season, that you consider all factors. If they want a certain plant to put in your garden, sure, they should be out there with you helping grow it. But at the end of the day, if you're the one who's only tending the garden, then you should do what's best for you and what makes you happy. So with that, thanks for watching. Comment below on any of the plants that you wish you didn't grow because someone told you to. And welcome to my madness.